Welcome to the Authentic Dads Podcast, here to help dads like you navigate complicated legal situations and ultimately spend more time with the ones you love most, your kids. For years, society has looked at dads as secondary caregivers, and resources for fathers fighting for equal custody rights have been scarce. Here, you'll be introduced to other men who've been down this path before and learn about the real solutions that led to real success stories. And while we help you navigate complicated legal vocabulary, we're also hoping to be a comforting resource, people to reassure you that everything is going to work out all right. Now, your hosts of the Authentic Dads Podcast, Junior and Art.
So if a child grows distrust in their father, will that affect how the child trusts men in the future?
It can, but it's not just with fathers. It's really with any primary attachment figure. So that could be biological parents, or if a child is raised by their grandparents, it could be, their grandparents could be their primary attachment figures. So our relationships with our primary attachment figures, which is usually mom and dad, but doesn't have to be, it lays the groundwork for our future relationships. So if a father or any parent is not consistent or not involved, it can shape consciously or unconsciously what a child would expect in future relationships. Same with, like you mentioned, toxic mothers or toxic fathers or toxic relationships. All those influence how we view, it lays the groundwork really, so how the child views relationships and how relationships should be, or how mothers should be, or how fathers should be, or how men or women should be. Yeah, it lays that framework for future relationships.
Yeah.
This has been the Authentic Dads Podcast, helping dads navigate complicated legal jargon to spend more time with their kids. If you know someone who could benefit from today's content, please share this episode. Our goal is to help dads with reliable support from people who have overcome the court system. For more, reach out to Junior and Art directly at authenticdads@gmail.com to book a consultation. Get help finding solutions to family court, child support, relationship issues, and more. Spaces are limited, so reach out with your request today. They'd love to hear from you. And if you want more, subscribe to our Authentic Dads YouTube channel for even more resources to help you on your journey.